Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor jack 3-ton options available on the market right now. These floor jacks stand out for their quality, performance, and value. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend DIYer, you'll want to stick around for this one. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering factors like lifting capacity, build quality, ease of use, safety features, price, and user feedback. If you'd like to see more information and the updated prices, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews. All right, let's jump into the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the big Red T830006 Touran hydraulic trolley floor jack. This is our budget-friendly option, priced at just $88.29. But don't let the low price fool you. It packs a lot of value. With a 3-ton lifting capacity and a range from 5 to 7/8 inches to 20 to 7/8 inches, this jack is ideal for a wide variety of vehicles, including SUVs and extended height trucks. The build quality is solid, featuring durable steel construction with a bright red industrial finish that resists wear and tear. Maneuverability is a breeze, thanks to its 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters. It also includes an extra-long saddle neck, which is perfect for taller vehicles. However, it uses a single piston pump, which means it might take a bit longer to raise the vehicle compared to dual-piston models. This jack shines when it comes to affordability and reliability, making it a great option for occasional use or as a backup in your garage. That said, its lack of advanced features and slightly heavier weight of 36 pounds may not make it the best choice for those who need quick or frequent lifts. Still, for under $90, it's hard to beat the big Red T830006 for basic lifting tasks. At number 4, we have the AV Steel 3-ton heavy-duty hydraulic floor jack. Priced at $139.99. This jack is an excellent mid-range option for those who want a balance of durability, performance, and safety. With a lifting range of 5.5 inches to 18.5 inches and a robust 6,600-pound capacity, it's suitable for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. The AV Steel Jack is built to last, featuring a heavy-duty steel construction that provides excellent stability during use. It also has overload protection to prevent damage from lifting beyond its rated capacity, which is a nice safety feature for peace of mind. The 360-degree rotatable saddle is another standout, as it offers flexibility during positioning. At 63.9 pounds, this jack is on the heavier side, but the inclusion of 2 rotating rear wheels makes maneuvering manageable. This jack is a great all-around performer, but it does have some drawbacks. The single-piston pump means it's not as fast as dual-piston models, and it doesn't go quite as low as some other options on this list. However, with its solid construction and safety features, this is a reliable choice for routine garage work and occasional heavy-duty tasks. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Vivore 3-ton low-profile heavy-duty steel racing floor jack, priced at $136.99. This jack offers a fantastic combination of durability and advanced features, making it a strong contender in the mid-price range. Its dual-piston quick-lift pump allows you to raise your vehicle to its maximum height of 19.69 inches in just 7 strokes, saving you valuable time. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures maximum durability, while its low-profile design, with a minimum height of just 3.35 inches, means it can easily slide under low-clearance vehicles. It's equipped with a long, 52-inch handle for easier leverage and a magnetic tray on the top, a handy feature for keeping tools within reach while you work. Maneuverability is smooth, thanks to its steel wheels and universal rear casters. While this Vivore jack performs admirably, it's not without its cons. At 72.8 pounds, it's quite heavy, which might make it cumbersome to move frequently. Additionally, while it's packed with features, it lacks the sleek, lightweight aluminum design found in higher-end models. Overall, this is an excellent choice for both professional mechanics and serious DIYers who need a reliable and efficient floor jack. Coming in at number 2 is the Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack. Priced at $179.99. This jack offers a premium feel without the top-tier price tag. It's built with a combination of aluminum and welded steel, which strikes a great balance between durability and weight, clocking in at 58.5 pounds. The low-profile design allows for a minimum height of just 3 to 15/16 inches, making it perfect for low-clearance vehicles. Performance-wise, the dual-piston quick-lift pump is a standout feature, allowing you to raise your vehicle quickly and efficiently. The large rubber saddle protects your car while lifting, and the swivel front casters make maneuvering a breeze. The 28-inch length also makes it compact enough for easy storage when not in use. The Jack Boss floor jack is an all-around solid performer, but it does come at a slightly higher price point than some of the other options we've reviewed. Additionally, while the aluminum construction is nice, it doesn't feel quite as heavy-duty as fully steel models. Still, for its combination of lightweight design, fast lifting, and versatility, this is one of the best options on the market today. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Vivore 3-ton low-profile aluminum and steel racing floor jack, priced at $186.99. This is the premium option on our list, and it delivers on all fronts, with a lifting range of 3 to 6/11 inches to 19 to 11/16 inches and a dual-piston quick-lift pump. This jack is designed for speed, efficiency, and versatility. The combination of aluminum and steel construction makes it both lightweight and incredibly sturdy. At 64 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and the dual universal rear wheels make positioning it a breeze. The rubber saddle and foam handle bumper add an extra layer of protection for your vehicle, while the 45-inch handle provides excellent leverage for easy lifting. It also meets multiple international certifications, ensuring top-notch safety and reliability. The only downside here is the price, which is the highest on our list. However, for those who want the best of the best, this jack is worth every penny. From professional mechanics to car enthusiasts who demand premium quality, this Vivore model is the ultimate choice for a high-performance floor jack. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these floor jacks, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy lifting!